Today we are going to learn how to build and use a macro in Microsoft Word. A macro is a mini program that allows you to, with one or two clicks, produce all the actions that you do over and over again in a program. To build a macro, you go to Tools, click on Macro, and Record New Macro. You can give it a name, and I'm going to call this one Letter. We're going to build a macro that will produce the outline of a letter with the headings on it that I would normally use anytime I would write a letter using Microsoft Word. So we give it the name and we click OK. And I already have one in my computer called Letter, and I'm going to replace that one with this new one, which in fact is going to be just the same. The computer is now going to remember everything that I do until I stop recording this macro. I'm going to set the text to be over on the right. I'm going to type in my address. I'm going to insert today's date in this format, and that date is in as a code, so it will repeat when it will put in whatever date my computer thinks is today's date if you call up this macro again. I'm going to leave room for the text. Sign it sincerely. Hank Drayton. And then I'm going to put this cursor back with one space there. Turn off the macro. And clear this. Well, or no, I'm just going to go to a new open blank document. And now anytime that I go into Microsoft Word, I can click Tools, go to Macro, look at the macros that I have. This one is called Letter. Click Run, and there is my heading of my letter. That is how you build a macro. I found this by going to Help, clicking on Microsoft Office Help, putting in the word macro, and waiting while it looked on the internet, and found Create a Macro, and I read it. You can do the same.